Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, German with Siddhant. My name is Siddhant Miglani, your German language trainer. In this video, I'm going to tell you 20 types of vegetables with step-by-step pronunciation and translation both in German and English language. So, let's start the session. Vegetables in German. In today's video, we have 20 types of vegetables written both in singular and plural forms, followed by the translations from German to English. First, we have the translation for the word vegetable. The word is das Gemüse. The word is in singular form. Then plural, vegetables. The word is die Gemüse. As we can figure it out, both the words have the same spelling, das Gemüse, plural, die Gemüse. Our first vegetable is tomato. The word is die Tomate. It's in singular form. Tomatoes, die Tomaten, plural form. So, there is a slight change in the spelling. In plural, we have extra N at the last position. But it's singular, it's die Tomate. Next, cauliflower, der Blumenkohl, singular form. Cauliflowers, die Blumenkohle, plural form. Again, we have a slight variation. We have extra E at the last position. Our next vegetable is broccoli. The word is der Brokkoli, singular form. Brokkolis, the brokkolis, plural form. Again, variation. We have extra S at the last. The brokkolis, plural form. Next, carrot, the Karotte, singular form. Carrots, the Karotten, plural form. We have extra N at the last position. The Karotten, plural form. Next, spinach, der Spinat, singular form. Spinaches, the Spinate, plural form. We have extra E at the last position. Die Spinate. Pea, the word is the Erbsen, singular form. Peas, the Erbsen, plural form. In this word, we have extra N at the last. The Erbsen, peas. Eggplant, the Aubergine, singular form. Eggplants, the Auberginen, plural form. Again, we have extra N at the last position. The Auberginen, plural form. Bell pepper, der Paprika, singular form. Bell peppers, the Paprikas, plural form. We have extra S at the end. The Paprikas, bell peppers. Cabbage, der Kohl, singular form. Cabbages, the Kohle, plural form. We have extra E at the last. The Kohle. Garlic, der Knoblauch, singular form. Cloves of garlic, plural. The Knoblauchzehen, plural form. Onion, the Zwiebel, singular form. Onions, the Zwiebeln, plural form. We have extra N at the last position. The Zwiebeln. Potato, the Kartoffel, singular form. Potatoes, the Kartoffeln, plural form. Again, we have extra N at the last position. The Kartoffeln. Sweet potato, the Süßkartoffel, singular form. Sweet potatoes, the Süßkartoffeln, plural form. Again, we have extra N at the last. Cucumber, the Gurke, singular form. Cucumbers, the Gurken, plural form. Extra N at the last. The Gurken. Bean, the Bohne, singular form. Beans, the Bohnen, plural form. Again, we have extra N at the last. The Bohnen. Soybean, the Sojabohne, singular form. Soybeans, the Sojabohnen, plural form. We have extra N at the last. Radish, der Radish, singular form. Radishes, the Radische, plural form. Mushroom, der Pilze, singular form. Mushrooms, the Pilze, plural form. Olive, the Olive, singular form. Olives, the Oliven, plural form. We have extra N at the last, the Oliven. Ladyfinger, the Okra, singular form. Ladyfingers, the Okras, plural form. That's all for today's session. The German translation of vegetables is quite an easy task if you pronounce the words correctly and learn the endings that we have in plural forms. Thanks for watching the lesson. Goodbye.